Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. Today I want to show you the difference about a Memberwise clone and a deep clone. So let's see. We have a class blog with an URL, and we have a class person that has a blog as a class. We have the person who has first name and has also a blog. We have two functions, memberClone, that it's getting the function memberwise clone, that it's .NET native, and I have also a deep clone that serializes the object with Newtonsoft Json and then deserializes into a new object. The difference between those, it's relatively simple. Let's see the program. So the first time we have a new person with my first name and one of my blogs in English. Then I put a deep clone with first name, the other Ignat, and URL, another blog of mine in Romanian this time. And we'll see that in the deep clone, the first name is not the same and the URL is not the same. Then we have a member clone. So we have the same person that I have in the beginning, and I put member clone, I put first name Ignat, and then I put blog URL, the new blog. And you will see that the first name is different, but because it was memberwise clone, it is the same class blog, and the URL is changing for the clone and for the initial object. Let's start the program. So when it was the deep clone, the two, Ignat and Andrei, first name and last name, first name and first name for the clone and the initial object are different. Also, the URL of the blogs are different because when it is the deep clone, the first was deep clone, the blog it's making a new, the blog it was the variable from the class person, it is a new blog. When it is a member clone, you will see that also the first name are different here, but you will see here that is the same blog URL. That means the blog is copied. So the difference between member clone and deep clone is that any class that you have inside the class that it's cloned, for the member clone is the same, for the deep clone it's another. The variables are different. First name, there are two different variables because there are two different objects of person each time, but the difference between member clone and deep clone here is the class blog is the same when we use memberwise clone, and it is a new blog when you use deep clone here with serializing the object into JSON with Newtonsoft JSON.